Hello guys, so in this video we are going to be talking about how you can make your character animate in Scratch. So let's get started. First, go to the look sector, bring in the fifth block called switch costume to costume 2. This block makes your character switch costumes. So my character is currently in costume 1 and this is the costume 2. So when I click this block, he will switch to costume. As you can see, if I change it to costume 1, he will switch to costume. So bring in 3 of these blocks, then go to the events tab, event sector, and bring in this block. This block is an play button, but for Scratch. When I click this green flag, it activates the rest of the blocks under this block. So when I click this, it will switch to costume 1. If I change it to costume 2, when I click this, to costume 2. And go to the control and bring in wait 1 second block, 3 of these. Then bring in this block called forever. It makes your blocks in the forever block go forever. Like there will be no stopping. And enter the wait 1 second block in between each and every switch costume block. And finally add the green flag. And we have to create the third costume. So duplicate the second costume and change the leg or hands, anything you like. Now make it like this. And then change it. The first costume block will be costume 1, second will be costume 2, and the third will be costume 3. So I click this. So you can see he is animating. He has a walking animation. And if you want him to walk and animate at the same time, go to the motion sector and bring in this block called moves 10 steps or anything like 20. So as you can see, it's moving and animating at the same time. So but if you want a faster animation, you can change the wait 1 second to 1.3 seconds or 1.5, your wish. And when I stop it and bring him here, so here's animating a bit fast. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys.